Example number 7. X equals to input of enter a number and y equals to 50 minus x. When you take the print of y, you will get type error. What kind of type error? Unsupported operand types for int and string. In the Colab, when you write x equals to input of enter a number and then the second variable is y equals to 50 minus x, when you take the print of y, which is my second variable, you will get the type error. What kind of type error? Unsupported operand types for integer and string. Look, we cannot subtract string from the integer. Look, what is x? X is actually a variable, which is basically a string. This is the integer. So from integer we cannot subtract string. We need to first convert string into integer. There must be a data type conversion. A data type conversion is very much needed here now. We need to convert the string into integer first, and then we can subtract integer from the integer. Look at here, we have two identifiers, two variables, x and y. X identifies this whole information from here up to here in the computer memory. Y identifies this information. So in the y we have 50 minus x. Whatever thing we have in the x will be subtracted from the 50. So we need to take the print of y. When you take the print of y, you will get a type error. As I said, the type error is the integer and the string. We cannot subtract string from the integer. But what is the solution? How we are gonna do it? Let's check it. Example number 8. I'm gonna take the same thing, x equals to input of enter a number and then y equals to 50 minus int of x. Now when you take the print of y, you will get enter a number, which is 8. When you plug in the number 8, press the enter button, you will get 42. Look, this time we have converted the string into integer by using the int function. Int function has converted the string into integer. Now this part is no more a string. It is integer now. We can subtract integer from the integer. We don't have issue. But we cannot subtract the string from the integer as we had last time in example number 7. We have a simple string, so you cannot subtract this x from the 50. But when you use the int function, int of x, it is no more a string. It is the integer now. So integer minus integer has no problem. Therefore, when you take the print of y, first you will get this line, enter a number. You can plug in any number. You can plug in 8, you can plug in 5, you can plug in 6, you can plug in 10, whatever you want you can plug in. But as I plugged 8 and then I pressed the enter button, I got 42, because 50 minus 8 equals to 42. This 8 is the value of x. X equals to 8 now, because remember, enter a number here, which is 8. It is the value for the variable x. So 50 minus 8 will be 42. But if you don't use the int function like 50 minus x, you won't get this answer. You get a type error. Make sure you must use int function here to convert the string into integer. Therefore, in our daily life, data conversion plays a tremendous role. You have to be very careful about the data type. Sometimes you need to convert it from one form into another to get your answer.